Hello, welcome back to my cave. Today we're gonna be working on issue 11 of Build the Eleanor from Ghana in 60 seconds. First up, we have kit number 39. So we just get a single piece of plastic and 3 types of screws. But first up, we need the chassis and this goes on here. And first we need the screw in here and here and this one and the last DS02 screw is over here, and now we need some DS04 screws. Second one on this side. And same on the opposite side. I clicked in. And then our last DS04. And then we need a single PS08 screw. That's just gonna go in here. Like so. And that is kit number 39 complete. With a whopping 9 screws for a single piece of plastic. And now we have kit number 40. It is the drive shaft. We get the drive shaft halves made this screw. Like so. And it's held together with 3 PS12 screws, which are tiny, super tiny screws. Now that drive shaft is all together, so we need the chassis and need to stick that in the differential. That slots in like there. And that is held with 2 PS05 screws. Like so. And that is kit number 40 complete. And now we have kit number 41, which is the gearbox. Well, part of it. And need a chassis. And this goes on here. And it's held in with 2 PS05 screws. like so from the top, and like so from the bottom. Then we take the transmission carrier, and that goes in here. Also with a pair of PS05 screws. Like so. And that is kit number 41 complete. And finally we have kit number 42. And it's another big piece of the chassis that goes on the chassis. The right ring, this side up, and like so. And that is held with 4 DS02 screws. And especially when dealing with the chassis, you're gonna need some drop of oil. Like so. That is kit number 42 complete. And issue 11 complete. And the chassis is too big for my camera. So until next time, thanks for watching.